Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorials. How to conduct a PhD research from the beginner to professionals. Today our tutorial will talk about Excel skills for the researcher. We will have some skills to is important to analyze the data in a good way, in a professional way. Today we'll talk about how we can use Excel to help us to identify the gap, to manage our research. It's important to have some skills in Excel to conduct the research. Excel is one of applications we can use to manage our data set, and also we have to focus in one place to manage all our data. We can write here our research keywords. For example, here the citation, for example, big data, and hit search. You will get 150,022 documents in result in the Scopus. Also here you can, for example, you can type here data and management or business management. Big data and business management. All documents or results contain big data and business management. Here if we see it's coming is limited 3,890 documents result. So from here we can download, choose the year what we want to analyze, 2000 English, and we'll say limit to, press all. Then we can see here some analyze the research result. There is some figures here you can see, for example, how big data. We can choose all and export. We'll export. We will use the author and document title, years, source type, the abstract, author keywords. Then we'll export the CSV Excel, and we'll choose here authors, document title, years, source title, source and documents type, abstract, author keywords, and then export. Here if you want all the documents, you can put it your email address, and it will take little time. So when they complete, we will email you a link to download your export. The link will be available for 7 days. Let us talk about here CSV only first 2000 documents. Let us export. I will show you how to use the Excel to manage this database. Hit Control and A. Then we can go insert and insert table. Press OK. Then insert the table, and also press here and do warp text. Then the link, now let us delete it. Delete it. Abstract. We want it, and we'll do warp text. Keywords, author keywords, document type, and source. bar of text. Which methodology, and also research design, variables or factors, imitation, key findings or future work. Here we can also add the slicer. We'll use the year, document type, methodology, the year. Methodology. Here the search type. You can also add the search design. Author. Example, this author. Here you can exit the filter. Now you are ready for reading the abstract. If you want to search about keywords or about specific words, if you want to highlight the specific words, for example, you're looking for the theories, which theories is in your topic, you can highlight this one, this column, and then from home you can go to the conditional format, then highlight cell rules, then text that contain, type theory, then give the custom format. I want, for example, colors. When we find the word theory, it gives different color. Let us do, for example, red color, and say hit enter. Let us see there is any theory here. Here, this one, it's contain theory. Which theory? Let us read. Dynamic capability theory. Again, you can go and highlight this one. This column, then go to the sectional format, then clear rules. Clear rules from selected cell. There is no colors. Let's talk about, for example, we can put it here theory. I want to know which theory in keywords. When we type theory, then it will find out which theory available in easiest way. We'll go to the highlight, then we'll go text that contain, let's say theory. Then we'll go to the custom format and we'll choose different color or this color. Say okay. Let us see. Press okay. Then let us see which color is different. Here, see, this one is dynamic capability theory. You can copy and paste it here in theory. Okay, let us go to the next. Here we find other theory. Innovation capability. Innovation. Resource based view. This is theory. You can type here. Also, there is another way you can find easy the keywords or the words what you want looking for. Go find and select, then find. Write, for example, theory, then press find all. All cell what is contained theory, it will show you here. When you press here, it will move. See, dynamic capability theory. Here another theory. So it is easy way to find theory related to your topic from abstract and from keywords. This is an easy way to find the theory or the keywords what you're looking for, or the specific words you are looking for in, for example, from abstract. Now you can every day read 5 or 10 abstract and check it is related to your topic or not. Then if related to your topic, fill the other column. If not, you can easily delete the cell. The delete, it's easy way. You can select and delete. After you filling this sheet, then later on we can add one sheet for report. You can name it report. Then easy way to only focus in one document to identify the gap or review your articles, and also you find easy way to highlight and to filter your research papers. Thank you and see you in next video. Good night.